Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. I'm joined by Uzweli, Brian, Dlamini.
Hola Sithibo, hola mafans wethu.
Yeah.
Kwakuqala nje ngifuna ukubonga lo muntu ongiphe lento. Akasichazanga ukuthi ubani. Nginekwe i-security ye-Pirates.
Yeah.
Wathi bamba lakho nomuntu othe eyakho le.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngiyabonga whoever it is.
Yeah,
Okay, ayi kunzima. But ke into engizoyisho ukuthi Pirates inale tendency yokuqala kabi. Yabo. Nje ngoba ngizokhombisa isibonelo sokuthi maqala isizini eqale kabi. But lokho okwesizini mokuyilanto leya ukuthi mokuyi women's month ngithi amakhosikazi kwaba inyanga yabo yabo bese ke lena inyanga eye Halloween. Halloween Pirates meyenza kahle, unfortunately sisidliwe ngeHalloween Halloween month. Yes kodwa ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi Pirates ine tendency yokuqala kabi iqale kabi. No coach wethu lo ohambile uRivero naye ilenti CAF wayiqala kanje wadliwa first round kuma penalty futhi almost the same yabo manje hayi siyazi thina sinethemba into kumele iPirates yenze manje okushanela yonke into seqalile ngelokuqala siya ku Black Nedbank ne league sithatha konke manje yebo
Man of the match.
Man of the match ayi iPirates idlale yonke kahle yonke goalkeeper udlale kahle kunzima ukunikeza iplayer iman of the match ama supporters badlale irole enhle kakhulu ngokuba khona abagcwalisa stadium like usually ucoach uyenza into enhle. Okay, ngiyezwa abanye bamblame ukuthi akadlalisanga istriker from the beginning though sichase igame. As a coach khona izinto ozenzayo uyabona kunama uyabadoma kancane yabo ubuye ke asikhavanga u3-0 so khavile. One thing I hope iPirates yenzile ukufaka icomplaint from le game lesidlalele ngoba uyazi ukuthi FIFA ithatha isikhathi ukubuya ukureply kungenzeka ukuthi sibuyele eCAF sangayenzeka from icomplaint ya la game leya yes
this season
there's a possibility. There's a possibility.
They'll never come back.
Actually, Lesotho the team. They'll never come back. Maybe that you know I'm tutu. No, they'll never come back. They're out. They must accept that they're out. Stibo, they're out.
Stibo. Uyabona uthi ungamthathi serious uthi asiyo iLesotho ungakhohlwa ukuthi uye mekathi bafana ngeke qualify. Uye mekathi iPirates angeke ibuye. iPirates ibuyile yahlulwa kuma penalty. But into my point ukuthi iPirates I hope ukuthi ifakile icomplaint. Ifakile icomplaint. Ufakile icomplaint from la game ya last.
No, last point.
Uyabona mfethu ngizokutshela into eyodwa. Into edlala kubafana bafana. It doesn't matter how many players are there for Pirates, how many players are there for Pirates nje yabo. Once wakora uyi-Sundowns. Once wakora kuyi-squad, use-squadini. Sikubizile ngoba siyakuthemba. Lo muntu oqhubayo ekuqaleni bekahlala ne-team team esokolayo ufana nobani ufana nobrother brother likes to talk too much and brother today is out brother I'm happy brother is out brother kumile brother once called me and said he supported Sipo brother and said abula mtutu
brother
you
know I told you something before I kill him. Before I don't want to kill him very quickly. I told you that the nearest hospital is Orlando Stadium, brother. They came for healing. Brother, they know that tomorrow they are not coming back. Brother, Fontaine, Philip Kushley. This one.
Mr. Tibo,
don't make sure.
I have to deal with
yeah, right. Oh, man.